Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews. In this video, we're talking about iOS 11.3, which was officially previewed by Apple today. So you can see right here on the Apple website, we have an official preview of iOS 11.3 and the cool new features that will come to iOS 11.3. And I can easily say this is the biggest update to iOS 11 yet. So let's talk about some of the features that are coming to iOS 11.3 and were officially announced by Apple today. So as you can see right here, a new Animoji, we have a lion right here and we have more here. So let's go here and play this video. So we have a lion here, we have a dragon, a bear, all that stuff. Let's replay that. So we have a dragon right here, a bear, a skull, I believe, and that lion, and maybe we will have even more when iOS 11.3 gets released. So you can see the skull right here, pretty funny. And we also have new features with AR now. So AR until now was able to recognize horizontal surfaces. Now it will also recognize vertical surfaces. So for example, you will be able to place an object on the wall or on a door or stuff like that. And we have more features here. So now we will have also business chat on iMessage. That's pretty cool. And also the mostly talked about feature of iOS 11.3, the battery section. So you can see right here, batteries and performance. So on iOS 11.3, we will have a new feature. So if you go to settings, go to battery on the iPhone 6 and later, you will be able to turn off there that feature that slows down your device to basically improve the battery life. So you can see right here, iOS 11.3 adds new features to show the battery health. So you will see the health of your battery, and also you can see users now can see if the power management feature that dramatically manage maximum performance to prevent unexpected shutdowns. First of all, you will be able here to go ahead and turn it off, so you will have maximum performance, but then your battery might die or your device might shut down unexpectedly if you have a bad battery. And also now we will have health records on the health app, and also we have a few new features here. So Apple Music will soon be the home for music videos. We have something here for the news app and all that stuff. So basically we have quite a lot of new features here with iOS 11.3, and what's really cool is that it will be released on the first beta today. So let me just scroll down here once more. So let's see here. So the devs preview will be available to the devs program members starting today. So today we will see the first beta of iOS 11.3, and then it should come to the public in spring as Apple says. So basically we will see 7 or 8 betas of iOS 11.3. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I will release a video once the first beta of iOS 11.3 is out, so go ahead and subscribe and don't miss any of those videos.